Okay, so this is the shawl that we are going to be making for our 18-inch dolls. Okay, to make this beautiful shawl for your 18-inch dolls, I used Premier Anti-Peeling Everyday DK. I don't know how many yards. It doesn't take that much, as you can tell. It's not that big. It's light 3. The color is Ice Pop Speckle if you like this color. But if you want to do this project, yeah, just any DK weight, a 3 weight. And if you use anything bigger than that, just size it to your doll as you put it on your doll. That's all you got to do. It's not any big deal. I used a pair of scissors. The crochet hook that we're using for this is a 4.0, a G hook. And you will need a yarn needle to weave it in at the end. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on this. Chain 4. You can make a slip knot if you want. I just go directly into the chain like this. Like that. And there's my first chain. 2, 3, and 4. So we need to make a slip knot in this 4th chain. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go, chain 1. Now we're going to work in that circle, in that hole. We're going to work 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet. We have 1, 2, 3, and that's the end of row 1. So for row 2, we are going to, that's the end of row 1. So for row 2, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn our work. Now we're going to work 3 double crochets in that first chain 3 space. One, 2, 3. 3 double crochets in the corner space here. One, 2, 3. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and 3 more double crochets in that same space. 1, 1, 2, and 3. 3 double crochets in the 4 double crochets in the last chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now for row 3, we're going to chain 1, turn our work. In between the chain 3 and the first double crochet, we're going to work 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet, chain 3, and between the 3rd and 4th double crochet, we're going to work a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, And in our corner space, we're going to work a single crochet, chain 3, and another single crochet in that same space, chain 3, work a single crochet in between the 3rd and 4th double crochet, chain 3. We are going to work a single crochet between the chain 3 and the last double crochet, chain 3, and another single crochet. So this is what it looks like now. So chain 3, turn your work. Now this will be row 4, and you're going to have 3 double crochets in this first chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. Row 4 and 5 are going to be your repeat rows. Okay, so 3 double crochets in your chain 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochets in the next chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're at our corner space, so we're going to work 3 double crochets, 3 chains, and 3 double crochets in that corner space. So 3 double crochets. It's 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 more double crochets in that same space. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 3 double crochets in the next chain 3 space. 1, 2, and 3. 3 double crochets in the next chain 3 space. 1, 2, and 3. Now in that last chain 3 space, you're going to work 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That was the end of row 4. So to start row 5, which is your repeat row, 4 and 5 are repeat rows. Chain 1, turn your work, and in between that last double crochet in that second double crochet, you're going to work a single crochet, chain 3, and another single crochet in that same space. Okay, chain 3, and between the 3rd and 4th stitch, you're going to single crochet, chain 3, and then the next between the 3rd and 4th double crochet, single crochet, chain 3, and the next between the 3rd and 4th double crochet, single crochet, chain 3, and now you're at the corner space. So you're going to single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet. And that's your corner. Now we're going to work along this side. Chain 3. All right, and between the 3rd and 4th double crochet, single crochet, chain 3. In between the 3rd and 4th double crochet, single crochet, chain 3, and between the 3rd and 4th double crochet, single crochet, chain 3, and in this last, between the last chain 3 and last double crochet, going to single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet. And that's what you need to keep repeating, is 4 and 5. So I'll go ahead and do 4 and 5 one more time for you. So we're going to just always remember, one row is double crochets, one row are your chain rows, because you're working your double crochets in these chains. So you have to have a chain row in order to work these double crochets. Okay, so let's go ahead and start row 4 again. Chain 3. Turn our work. And in that chain 3 space, we're going to work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And in that next chain 3 space, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. The next chain 3, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And the next chain 3, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. In the next chain 3, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now we're down here at our corner. We're going to work 3 double crochets, chain 3, and 3 double crochets in that space. Okay, 1, 2, 3, chain 3. Okay, 3 more double crochets in that same space. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to work our way back up on this side. It's 3 double crochets in each one of these chain 3 spaces. And then 4 double crochets in that last one. So 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. 3 more double crochets in the chain 3 space. 1, 2, and 3. 4 double crochets in the last chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to repeat row 5. Row 5, you're going to chain 1. Turn your work. Oh, here's what it looks like now. Row 5, chain 1, 1 single crochet between the first double crochet and the second double crochet. Single crochet, chain 3, and another single crochet in that same spot. Okay, so chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in between the 3rd and 4th, chain 3, single crochet between the next 3rd and 4th, chain 3, single crochet between the next 3rd and 4th, and you just keep doing that all the way down till you get to your corner space. And now we're at our corner space. So you're going to single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet. now we're working back up the other side. You're going to chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. You're going to continue that all the way down on the other side. Single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3. When you get to the last, between the double crochet and the chain 3, do a single crochet, chain 3, and a single crochet. Keep repeating rows 4 and 5 until you get to your desired size. I crocheted 9 double crochet rows for this shawl. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.